guys, now I'm gonna react on Vakil Saab teaser of Pawan Kalyan sir and wishing you all happy Makar Sankranti guys. So before I start, hello and I'm Nalini, welcome to my channel नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So let's go. Boni Kapoor presents. Wow.
Objection, Your Honor. కోర్టులో వాదించడము తెలుసు, కోర్టు తీసి కొట్టడము తెలుసు.
The date is not yet fixed, I guess, because they mentioned that it is coming soon. फिदा हो गई मैं पवन कल्याण सर की स्टाइल देख के. Oh my God, what an outstanding style, man! What an outstanding style. Okay, let me tell you one thing that when last time I had reacted on Pawan Kalyan sir का motion poster of Vakil Saab, many people have commented that this is a remake of Pink movie. So what did I thought that I literally know each and everything about the Pink movie because I have watched the movie. So might be everything will be the same, but the style and everything is a bit different. Okay, bit different, very different actually. The action scenes and everything. The way the teaser started was with the uniform of Vakil Sahab actually, and that was superb. And then you can see, oh my God, the वॉच को दिखाया है, वॉच की स्टाइल दिखाया है, पेन की स्टाइल दिखाया है, anger in his eyes, his hairstyle, his punches, the background music and everything is larger than life, I must say, because this seems to be different to me now. Because yes, I have watched Pink movie, but that was totally different, okay, and this seems to be totally different. And in the end, where he was sitting on a truck or something like that, and he was watching, he was reading a book. So even that style was totally different. And power star Pawan Kalyan, so there it should be different only, of course, because his style itself is like wow. I simply love this like anything. If you can see in the thumbnail itself, the way he's sitting with the watch in his hand, like वो कुछ notice कर रहे, time calculate कर रहे kind of, or something like that. The way he's sitting, his eyes is speaking a lot. The anger in his eyes and everything is looking more than outstanding. And the way he's doing this thing and looking like this, wow, this is outstanding, man. I just loved it. And the way it was introduced, that he just removed the curtain or something like that. एक क्लॉथ जो रखा हुआ था बुक के शेल्फ्स के ऊपर, मतलब शायद लाइब्रेरी के ऊपर और कोर्ट की लाइब्रेरी हो गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट, उसके ऊपर जो रखा था उसने ऐसे वो हटाया. सो and there were so many books, and then there was an introduction, power star Pawan Kalyan. So this is going to be wow. And then he gave a punch, no, not a punch, it was a slap like that, tough, to a man, the Adhar. It was like, ooh, wow. And then I could see that he is doing something with the pen, and then with the watch as well, he's revolving the watch. He just did that, something like banged his shoes or something, feet or something like that, and then he just got up. Objection, my lord. And the power of his voice, his attitude and everything is looking outstanding, man, outstanding. And the background music is doing total justice to it. I just want to say you guys that I had once reacted on a song called Magua Magua, which was from Vakil Saab itself. So which was all about the woman power, woman, how should we respect a woman, what a woman does in a whole lifespan, and how important she is for us, and everything. It was there in the song itself, and I still remember Magua Magua Loka अच्छी, but I don't know the lyrics, okay? I can't understand the language, right? So that's the reason I can't exactly tell you the lyrics and all. But that was all about the women. So in that song, I asked that this seems like this movie will be on something like women protection or something like that, and then people came and told me yes, this is the remake of Pink. And if I am wrong, do let me correct in the comment section below, because I don't know much, but people told me that yes, this is the remake of Pink. So I just want to know from you guys, please tell me. And there was a dialogue which he said which I didn't understand at all, and he is getting threats as well, live threats or something like that, because okay, he's fighting for a very big case or might be against a very big person. So that's the reason एक जन knife लेके आया था उनको मारने के लिए, and the way he was stopping and he just said something, and after that उसके जो भी dialogues थे और सब कुछ था, it was looking outstanding. And वो ट्रेन वाली सीन तो आजकल मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिख रही है, and this is looking wow. And the way he did this thing with the jacket itself, isn't it outstanding, guys? Tell me. And then he hit someone, with a stick itself, and then he was like blowing the stick. And the punches is not like cool, एकदम मारदार सब कुछ करने के I am cool person. We did this thing, thad and all the jacket and all सब कुछ पहनने का style जो था. It was super fantastic. And he is then again totally looking different in the second scene where he's sitting on a truck or a vehicle and he was reading a book. Totally different. But I just want to say that he is looking handsome throughout, and I had reacted once on a video which was craze of Pawan Kalyan, 5 events where there were craze of Pawan Kalyan. So I thought Pawan Kalyan himself will start chanting over there and then people will show their craze or something like that. But Pawan Kalyan sir was not there, okay? There was just Chiranjeevi sir, Allu Arjun, Ram Charan and all. And they just mentioned his name and people are going crazy. And the way Allu Arjun was reacting, like, okay, yeah, this is very normal. I know this thing happens because I guess Pawan Kalyan sir is his chacha, okay? So, you know, that people are mad for my chacha. So, I am used to it. I know that this is going to happen. And the way he reacted was totally cool, you know. And I simply loved it. And Chiranjeevi sir also took his name. People were going mad, you know. Wow, I just loved it. So that's the reason I'm super excited for this trailer as well. And tell me, what did you like the most about this teaser in the comment section below. If you want more of such videos of Pawan Kalyan or anything, do like this video and do share as much as you can. As soon as it hit 10k views, I'll be coming up sooner with a new video on whichever scenes or anything which you are asking me to do or requesting me to do in the comment section below. So I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki, parak niya, bye.